my mom did not have enough money to pay for all of that, fimt? Ġili nanna kienet tixi li eżempju nejtara u nitla bil-basket ta' Nike. I used to want to look like other people. Kont nejt, jekk mux ħan nitla bil-basket ta' Nike, I'm gonna look lame. Mux ħajwarbuni, mux ħajkunu jridu joqodu miegħi.
Mela.
Immega it was a ripple of the trauma li kont għadnik faddejt in very tipo previous years. Kienu għadhom fresh il-primarja u s-sekondarja, daw t-nejdu 14, 15, 16. Kont jekk ma nilbis palom, jina nħossni outcast.
Inqas minnhom.
U ma kontx nitla ġieli, anke eżempju, jinkelli xari wavy, kun qed nillixja hekk, nkollu nillixja xari. Ma nitlax mingħajr make-up. There was a standard way you needed to look, fimt, to impress the boys.
You wanted to fit in.
And what is funny, nowadays...
You don't fit in.
Jekk, għalla ħares, mux, mkienu kuxħat li bes palex bdajt nitentlu.